Okay, first up we have a Ford 1935 50 series pickup truck. It's got the V8 350 engine. Nice, beautiful black paint. I love those rims. These rims are pretty cool. Bed of the truck is nice, good shape. Looks like all the metal is in great shape. Okay, here's the sticker. It's going for $29,000 even, and like I said, it's got the 350 V8 3-speed automatic. 32,016 actual miles. That's a good price for this truck. Okay, here's a 1941 Ford F1. Another nice pickup truck. Bed's in great shape. All the metal on the truck looks like it's in good shape too. Okay, here's the information on it. This one's going for $40,000. It's got the 396 V8 4-speed automatic. 4-barrel. And a 700R4 automatic transmission. And that roof was chopped a little bit, lowered a little bit. Okay, here is a 1963 GMC half-ton pickup truck. The red is absolutely beautiful. Okay, here's the interior. Boy, this truck is nice. Like I said, the paint is beautiful. They made the dash the same color as the exterior. And the interior doors. So the inside of the cab is the same color. Very sweet. Okay, here's the information on it. It's going for $63,900. The price reflects what shape this car is in, or this truck's in. It's beautiful. It's got the 383 cubic inch stroker V8 engine, 3-speed automatic. The color is candy apple red, tri-coat. Very nice. Okay, here is a 1954 Chevy 3600 series pickup. It's got the green and black exterior. Okay, this one's going for $27,000. It's got a 235 cubic inch inline 6 and a 3-speed manual transmission. And it looks like it's another 5-window cab. Looks pretty solid. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a driver, and it doesn't need much work. Just a little TLC, but you can drive it just the way it is. It's a beautiful truck. Okay, here's the other side. I'm trying to get all sides for you all, so you get a good vision of the truck and the vehicles, but they are pretty close together. Okay, here's a 1969 Ford Ranchero. Got the black vinyl top. Okay, here is the interior. My God, this thing is in great shape. I mean, you kidding me? Look at that bed. The bed is in perfect shape. Looks like it just rolled out of the factory. Beautiful. Okay, here's the information on it. It's a 1969 Ford Ranchero 500 Rio Grande, and it's going for $35,900. 351 Windsor V8, 3-speed automatic. And the color is Calypso Coral. 50,498 actual miles on it. Very nice. Okay, here is a 1930 International pickup truck. Looks like a museum piece. Okay, this one's going for $24,000 even. And like I said, it's a 1930 International 6-speed special 1-ton truck. It's got the 173 L head 4-cylinder 3-speed manual transmission. It's got the wood bed. And there's the interior. Okay, here's a 1948 Ford F100. There's no information on this one yet, so you'd have to check it out on the website. It's a nice looking truck nonetheless. Got some nice wheels and tires on it. Very sweet. It's a pretty nice truck. Okay, here's a 1937 Fargo pickup truck. And this is another one that doesn't have any information on it. No price. So this is another one where you have to go onto classicautomall.com to get all the information. All right, here is the interior. A nice shot of the bed. Nice wood slats on the bottom there. All in all, the body is in pretty good shape. Okay, here's a 1954 Ford F100. Okay, here's the information on it. It's got the 351 Windsor V8. 3-speed automatic, going for $29,000. Power front disc brakes. It's a nice red. Okay, here's a shot of the interior. Okay, here's a 1947 Ford F1 pickup truck. Okay, here's the information on it. It's going for $59,500. It's got the 350 cubic inch ZZ4 crate engine, 4-speed automatic. Wow, look at this interior. Very nicely done. I like that it looks like velvet inserts, and you got the wood grain steering wheel and the dash right there. Very sweet. Okay, now we're moving up by a few decades. This is a 1979 AMC Jeep CJ5. Golden Eagle. Thing is in beautiful shape. This does not look like a 79. Got the Eagle on the top of the hood. You got some meaty tires on there. Okay, here's the information on it. It's going for $34,900. Got the 360 V8 5-speed manual transmission. This thing's beautiful. All right, here's the interior. It's got the bikini top on it now. Okay, you got some nice speakers there. I guess they look like they're custom. Rear seat. And you got your bikini top on there. I think that's what they call them. Very nice.